Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a pasta bake. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and gather pasta, sauce, cheese, and a baking dish. Cook pasta until just al dente, then mix with sauce and seasonings. Stir in half the cheese, taste, and adjust salt. Transfer to a greased dish, top with remaining cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden. Let rest 5 minutes before serving for best slices. Gather a large bowl, cooked pasta, your preferred sauce, cheese, and any fillings like spinach or sausage. Toss pasta with sauce and a splash of reserved pasta water for a glossy finish. Fold in half the cheese and any fillings so flavors distribute. Spoon mixture into the dish, smoothing the top and sprinkling remaining cheese. Cover loosely with foil for most of the bake, then uncover to brown the top. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and give it a like so I can keep making useful recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and buying time to cook more meals, and I thought you'd like it too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a friendly nudge to build freedom. Now let's get back to the video. Place the assembled dish in a preheated oven and bake, covered for about 20 minutes to meld flavors. Remove the foil and bake an additional 10 minutes to brown the cheese and crisp edges. If the top browns too fast, lower the rack or tent with foil. Use oven mitts and let the dish rest 5 to 10 minutes to set so slices hold together when you serve family or guests with a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.